Breakfast, the most important meal of the day. I'm here to teach you how to make bacon, eggs and toast in the air fryer in under 8 minutes without all the cleaning up. You're going to need a slice of bread, a slice of bacon, an egg and some butter. Press a small indent into the bread with a spoon or the bottom of a mug. Now you can go ahead and butter your bread. Or don't, I'm not here to lick stamps. Remove your basket from the air fryer and pop your bread into the basket. You can then go ahead and make a circular nest out of your bacon. Go ahead and crack your egg into a small container as it makes it easier to transfer into the bacon nest. Now you can go ahead and add that egg to the center of your bacon nest. Gently slide the air fryer basket back into the air fryer. Set your air fryer for 200 degrees Celsius or 390 Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. There you go, now you're done. You've got 8 minutes back to yourself to do whatever it is that your heart desires. Make sure you let me know how you go in the comments below, and I'll see you next time that I'm cooking brekkie.